Welcome to the What's New in version 4.5. As an alternative to using byte registration or clone, you now have the ability to scan opposing dentition and the buccal bite. The three models can be scanned in any order. In intraoral cases, you can scan the opposing teeth while the patient is getting numb. Capture 100% of the buccal and the cusps on the opposing dentition. You do not need to capture the lingual axial walls. Scan the preparation using the basic scanning method. Scan the buccal bite in a zigzag pattern. Ensure that all of your scans have the wand pointing towards the distal. If you accidentally scan the prep, opposing, or buccal in the wrong direction, it will have to be scanned again. Models scanned in different directions will not be able to align. Intraoral scans will show the tongue behind the preparation. Rotate the model to trim the tongue data. The models are aligned on the Margin tab. Click Align Buccal Scan. Zoom out to see all three models. Click Grab Model. Click on a distinctive feature and drag the buccal bite to the same feature on the preparation model. Be sure the distinctive feature can be seen on both models. If you click and drag a feature that is hidden on the buccal bite, the models might misalign. If a misalign happens, click Reset to start over. Align the buccal bite to the preparation. Then align the opposing to the buccal bite. After the models are aligned, proceed with the normal workflow. Draw the margin and proceed to the Design tab. The Design tab is grayed out until after the margin is drawn and the buccal bite is aligned. To view the opposing dentition on the Design tab, click View Bite Registration. Tooth Libraries is now the default on the Design tab. Starting the design workflow on the Tooth Libraries tab gives you the option of changing the preview tooth properties before generating a proposal. Resize and/or move the preview tooth. Change the library selection. Deselect autogenesis. Or you also have the option of changing nothing and simply clicking Apply. Click Incremental Change Tools or Freeform Change Tools to proceed with your design workflow. There have been several changes to the milling center. The new tank cleaning wizard instructs you throughout the process. Press the tank cleaning icon. Touch Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. Remove and clean the tank, and then touch Next. The tank cleaning wizard drops the float and strainer assembly down for easy access. You no longer have to go through the support console to clean the assembly. Clean the floats and strainer, and then touch Next. Insert the refilled and clean fluid tank, close the drawer, and then touch Next. After an hour of idle time, the mill lid opens automatically to allow the chamber to dry. Call customer support to change the idle time if needed. E4D Sky has a new interface and new service options. E4D Sky is a service for transferring files through the Internet for design or fabrication services. You must have an account with Henry Schein's DDX, Digital Dental Exchange, before you can connect to Sky. Note that the E4D Sky logo is grayed out until you sign in to the Sky network. Click Please Sign In. Enter the email and password that is on your DDX account. After you are signed in, your email address is displayed next to the Sky logo. Open the case that you want to send via E4D Sky. You must be on the Margin, Design, or Mill tab to click the Sky icon. Ensure the buccal data has been aligned before sending. Most recipients will require buckle and opposing cases. Click the sky icon. All of the service options are described on this screen. To use any of the options at the top of the screen, click Access E4D Sky Services. The name and teeth numbers are filled in automatically. Note that when this patient was entered into the Design Center, it was with the last name first. When a patient is imported into Sky, the first word in the name is entered into the first name field. The second word is entered into the last name field. If a patient has 3 names, like Mary Ann Smith, then the patient would appear here as first name Mary, last name Ann. Edit the name field if necessary. Scroll down to select the desired services. Click the checkbox next to each desired service. The total fee changes based on the selected services. Select the payment method. You can save your information on file for future use. This is saved per service type. Do not select to upload your scans to Sky unless requested by the recipient. This increases the file size and should not be activated unless necessary. Click Submit Case when ready. The system returns to the home page and displays the upload progress. If the upload is interrupted, you can resubmit it again later. You will receive a confirmation email. Interrupted cases or cases that are still transmitting have a red Sky icon next to them. Cases that have been successfully uploaded to Sky have a blue icon next to them. Another service option on E4D Sky is to send to a certified E4D laboratory. A certified lab goes through a qualification process with the E4D system and its data. If you would like to become a certified lab, please contact Alex Alvarado at aalvarado@d4dtech.com. Click the button to send a case to a certified E4D laboratory. On the left side of the screen are the labs that you have previously used. On the right side are all other available labs. Select a lab from either side and their details are listed below. Click Use Lab. Fill in the prescription details and select one or more procedures from the list. Procedures will vary per lab. Billing is handled directly by the laboratory. Another E4D Sky service option is export and send a BuckleBite case as an STL. STL export converts the E4D data into an open file format that can be used in a variety of other software packages. Click the Export option. Ensure your buccal data is aligned before creating your STL files. When exporting, the system will always save a copy of the files on your hard drive. STL export creates very large files. It is recommended that you use the email option to create a downloadable link from DDX and include yourself in the email. STL files are saved on your hard drive with the patient name at the beginning of the file name. Click Submit Case. If Save an Email was checked, you are prompted to select the files for upload. The only necessary files are the prep and the opposing files. Enter the recipient's email, and it is recommended that you include your own email address. Click Upload Files and Send Email. An email is sent containing a download link to retrieve the files from the DDX Exchange server. This concludes the What's New in 4.5 overview. Thank you for watching.